Here we want to show you our top 5 beauty products from Japan. Let's start with the 5th place of our ranking. This is an original Dyeso cosmetic product from Japan. It is a whitening medicated cream that is supposed to treat and prevent hyperpigmentation, like spots and freckles, by brightening the skin tone. It is a popular product and is often sold out in Japan. The essence pack contains 20 grams. Let's open it. Here is how the essence looks like. The official price for this product is 100 yen. For a great price like this, it is definitely worth buying. Here is our number 4. This is the White Label Premium Placenta Rich Gold Eye Cream. The hyaluronic acid and collagen in this gel give skin firmness and elasticity. It is a number 1 product and very popular in Asia. The gel pack contains 30 grams and is supposed to last for about 150 times. The special thing about this product is that no perfume, no artificial colors, no paraben, no alcohol and no mineral oil is used. This might be a reason why it is a best-selling item in many countries. The gel is clear and fast absorbing. Here is our 3rd place. We want to show you this great product that we found in Japan. These are compressed DIY facial masks from Dyeso. With these masks you can now create your own facial skincare treatments at home by using fresh ingredients. Let's open the package and see how it works. We mixed fresh aloe vera juice with castor oil, jojoba oil and rose water. The compressed mask is opening really fast. The mask is still quite dry, so you can now absorb the rest of the mixture with it. Now our self-made mask is ready to use. The second place goes to a small but powerful essence. This is one of the most popular beauty products from Japan, called Roto Milano CC Essence. It is a #1 selling item, which is an effective anti-spots essence, formulated with vitamin C and E. Here are a few benefits this essence is supposed to have. Shrinking pores and acne. Whitens acne scars. Moisturizes the skin. It can also reduce dark spots, pigment and acne spots. Let's open the package and have a look at the essence. Here is how the essence looks like. It is clear and very liquid, which makes it easy to apply on the skin. And here is the winner of this ranking. Here we have one of the best skincare beauty products from Japan. It is called Amino Moist Charge Milk from Minin, which is a very popular Japanese brand on the market. This moisturizing milk is a #1 product since 2016. Since then it is also very famous among tourists and a must-have beauty product and souvenir. The price is around 2,000 yen. Let's open the package. It contains 9 amino acids for sensitive and dry skin. The special thing about this face milk is that it is free of alcohol, mineral oil and parabens. The serum is rich and smooth. Which beauty product is your favorite one? Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.